Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can reset Microsoft Word on your computer to default settings. It is super simple, guys. So if you're curious how to pull this off, make sure you watch this video all the way through and follow my instructions. So first of all, guys, close Microsoft Word or minimize it because unfortunately there's no option how to reset to default settings here on Word. So what you want to do, guys, is if you're on Windows 10 or 11, use the search bar here in the bottom left corner and search for the registry editor for your computer or operating system. You will find it if you type in, for example, reg, so start it or launch it, and here in your registry editor, make sure that you expand that folder here in the left sidebar, H key current user, and from that drop-down menu, expand software. After that, scroll down till you get to Microsoft, expand, and from that following drop-down menu, scroll down and expand Office. And lastly, expand that folder here at the top, 16.0, which should indicate which version of Microsoft Word you're currently using. And from the following drop-down menu, right-click on Word and select Delete. Now, as you can see, it's not in English for me, but in Polish, but it will be in English for you guys. So confirm that you would like to delete that entry. And after that, close your registry editor, relaunch Microsoft Word, and Word should be reset to default settings. And that's all to it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.